Ladies and gentlemen, 𝐧𝐞𝐿.
It's been a long time since you fell in love. You ain't coming out your shell. You ain't really been yourself. Tell me, what must I do?
This part of my life is called peace.
I don't need no light to see you shine.
I don't have many rules for my house, but I do have one, and that is that we never, ever, 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 ever use the big light.
It's time to normalize small little houses. Small houses, not like those big mansions always advertised.
Now, I may not have the high-rise apartment that's on the millionth floor with floor-to-ceiling windows, but one thing about my house, it's gonna be a vibe, period.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I came back to let you know. If you be the cash, I'll be the rubber band. Okay. If you be the cash,
I'll be the rubber band. You'll be the match. I will be a fuse. Boom, painter, baby.
I saw you in my dreams.